Mr. Atomic No. 1, the first and lightest, hydrogen. It's the smallest and simplest element in the universe. But don't let its size fool you. This tiny giant is a building block of everything. Imagine a chart that lists all the ingredients of the cosmos. That's the periodic table. And guess who's number 1? Yup, it's hydrogen. Hydrogen is a very light element. It's even lighter than air. That's why we use it in balloons to make them float. Hydrogen is all over the universe. It's in stars, planets, and even in you and me. Deep inside stars, something amazing happens. In the heart of these celestial giants, a process unfolds that powers the universe. Hydrogen atoms get squeezed together so tightly that they fuse. This fusion process is the very essence of stellar energy production. This process, called fusion, is like a cosmic dance. The hydrogen nuclei move and collide in a delicate balance, creating something new. When hydrogen atoms fuse, they make helium, another element. This transformation is fundamental to the life cycle of stars. This process releases a tremendous amount of energy. The energy produced is what fuels the brilliance of stars, making them shine brightly in the night sky. It's what makes stars shine. The light we see from stars, including our sun, is a direct result of this incredible fusion process. Our sun is a giant ball of mostly hydrogen. It serves as a perfect example of how fusion works on a massive scale. Every second, it fuses millions of tons of hydrogen into helium, releasing the light and heat that sustain life on Earth. This continuous fusion reaction is the reason we have warmth and daylight. Fusion is a powerful process. The energy it releases is immense, far greater than any chemical reaction we know of. Scientists are working on ways to harness this power here on Earth. They are developing fusion reactors that could one day provide us with a nearly limitless source of clean energy. Imagine a future fueled by the stars. With fusion energy, we could revolutionize how we power our world, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels and mitigating climate change. The potential is astronomical, and the journey to harness this stellar power is one of the most exciting scientific endeavors of our time. Look up at the night sky. Those twinkling stars are sending us more than just light. They're sending us a message encoded in hydrogen. When light from stars passes through hydrogen gas in space, the hydrogen absorbs some of that light. This absorption creates a unique pattern, like a fingerprint. Scientists use telescopes to study these patterns. It's how they learn about the composition, temperature, and movement of stars and galaxies far, far away. Hydrogen is like the universe's messenger, carrying secrets of the cosmos across vast distances. By decoding its message, we unravel the mysteries of the universe. Hydrogen is a social butterfly of the atomic world. It loves to pair up with other atoms, forming bonds that create new and amazing substances. When hydrogen bonds with oxygen, it forms a very important molecule, water. Water is essential for all life on Earth. Hydrogen can also bond with carbon. These carbon-hydrogen bonds are the backbone of many molecules, including those that make up our bodies. From the air we breathe to the food we eat, hydrogen is everywhere, silently shaping the world around us. Section 5. Water, water, everywhere, hydrogen's life-giving bond. Water. It covers most of our planet. We drink it, swim in it, and depend on it for survival. And guess what? It's made with hydrogen. Each water molecule has 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. This simple combination creates a liquid that is essential for all life. Water dissolves nutrients and carries them to our cells. It helps regulate our body temperature and keeps our planet habitable. Without hydrogen, there would be no water, and without water, there would be no life as we know it. Section 6. Powering the future hydrogen fuel cells. Imagine a car that runs on water and releases only clean water vapor as exhaust. That's the promise of hydrogen fuel cells. Fuel cells use hydrogen gas to generate electricity. They do this without burning anything, so they're very clean. Hydrogen fuel cells are already being used in some cars, buses, and even homes. They offer a way to reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and combat climate change. The technology is still developing, but hydrogen fuel cells hold great potential for a cleaner, more sustainable future. Section 7. A clean energy revolution, hydrogen's potential. The world is looking for new ways to power our lives without harming the planet. As we face the growing threat of climate change, the need for sustainable and clean energy sources has never been more urgent. Traditional fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and natural gas have been the backbone of our energy systems for decades, but they come with a heavy environmental cost. Hydrogen could be a key part of the solution. This simple element, the most abundant in the universe, has the potential to revolutionize the way we think about energy. When used as a fuel, hydrogen produces only water as a byproduct, making it an incredibly clean option. Hydrogen can be produced from renewable sources, such as solar and wind power. By using these renewable energy sources to generate hydrogen, we can create a truly sustainable energy cycle. This process, known as electrolysis, involves splitting water into hydrogen and oxygen using electricity generated from renewable sources. This means we could make clean hydrogen fuel without producing greenhouse gases. Unlike fossil fuels, which release carbon dioxide and other harmful pollutants when burned, hydrogen fuel cells emit only water vapor, making them an environmentally friendly alternative. Using hydrogen as a fuel could help us reduce air pollution and combat climate change. Imagine a world where our cars, buses, and even airplanes run on hydrogen, significantly cutting down on the smog and pollutants that plague our cities today. It could also reduce our dependence on fossil fuels. By diversifying our energy sources and investing in hydrogen technology, we can decrease our reliance on oil and gas, which are not only finite resources, but also major contributors to global warming. Of course, there are challenges to overcome. Producing, storing, and transporting hydrogen efficiently and safely are significant hurdles that researchers and engineers are actively working to address. The infrastructure for hydrogen energy is still in its early stages and requires substantial investment and innovation. But the potential of hydrogen is enormous, and researchers are working hard to unlock its full power. With continued advancements and support, hydrogen could play a crucial role in our transition to a cleaner, more sustainable energy future. The journey towards a hydrogen-powered world is just beginning, and the possibilities are truly exciting. Section 8. Challenges and Opportunities. The Hydrogen Economy. Building a hydrogen-powered future won't be easy. There are challenges to overcome, from producing hydrogen to storing and transporting it safely. One challenge is cost. Producing clean hydrogen can be expensive. We need to find ways to make it more affordable. Another challenge is infrastructure. We need to build a network of pipelines and refueling stations to distribute hydrogen fuel. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits of a hydrogen economy are too great to ignore. It's a challenge worth taking on for a cleaner, more sustainable future. Section 9. Beyond Earth Hydrogen in Space Exploration. Hydrogen isn't just important on Earth. It plays a vital role in space exploration too. Liquid hydrogen is a powerful rocket fuel. It's used to launch spacecraft into orbit and beyond. Hydrogen is also being considered as a potential fuel for future missions to Mars and beyond. As we continue to explore the cosmos, hydrogen will likely play an even greater role in our journeys to other worlds. Section 10. The Everlasting Element. Hydrogen's Enduring Legacy. Hydrogen has been around since the beginning of the universe. It's the most abundant element in the cosmos. It's the fuel of stars, the building block of water, and a key ingredient for life. Its story is intertwined with the story of the universe itself. As we continue to learn more about hydrogen, we gain a deeper understanding of our place in the grand scheme of things. Hydrogen, the smallest element, holds within it the secrets of the universe and the potential for a brighter future. Section 11. Conclusion. A tiny atom with a giant impact. Hydrogen may be small, but it has a giant impact on our universe and our lives. This tiny atom, the simplest and lightest of all elements, holds within it the power to change the world. It's the most abundant element in the universe, making up about 75% of its elemental mass. Hydrogen is the fuel of stars, the very essence of the cosmos. It's also a key ingredient for life on Earth. Every cell in our body relies on hydrogen to function. From the water we drink to the food we eat, hydrogen is an essential part of our daily lives. Beyond our planet, hydrogen has the potential to shape our future in profound ways. It powers our homes through hydrogen fuel cells, drives our cars with zero emissions, and fuels rockets that explore the far reaches of space. As we continue to explore the wonders of hydrogen, scientists and researchers are unlocking new possibilities. They are developing innovative technologies to harness hydrogen's power more efficiently and sustainably. We are on the brink of a new era where hydrogen could play a pivotal role in creating a cleaner, more sustainable world. Imagine a future where our energy needs are met without harming the planet, where hydrogen storage systems complement renewable energy sources like wind and solar power. So the next time you see a star shining brightly in the night sky, Remember the tiny giant that makes it all possible? Hydrogen. This unassuming atom is not just a building block of the universe, but a beacon of hope for a brighter, cleaner future. The story of hydrogen is a testament to how something so small can have such a monumental impact. It reminds us that even the tiniest elements can hold the key to the grandest of dreams.